Hello, space explorer. I am astronaut Ayesha, your space guide. And today we are blasting off to learn cool facts about planets. Buckle up, let's go. This is Sun, the big and hot star. Yes, you heard it right. It's a star, not a planet. All the other planets go around it. Now let's meet the fastest planet. This is Mercury. Zoom zoom. This is the fastest planet. And you know what? This is the smallest planet of all. Whoa, the Venus, hottest planet in our solar system. It is full of thick cloud and heat, even hotter than Mercury. Phew, I better not take off my helmet. Let's zoom to next planet. And here we are, Earth. It's the only planet we know with the life, water, and you on it. Our home, sweet home in space. Come, fly with me to the next one. Whoosh, the next stop is Mars. It is called the red planet because of its color. You know, scientists think robots and maybe even humans will live here one day. Really? Hold on tight, it's a windy ride. Wow, look at Jupiter, the biggest planet of them all. It is so huge, more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside. Let's fly and meet the ring planet. Wow, check out Saturn and its shiny rings. You know, they are made of ice and rocks. It is the second biggest planet in space. Really? Now, are you ready to meet the coolest planet? Here is Uranus, the icy blue one. It spins on its side like it's laying down. It's super cold out here. Let's dive into Neptune, the windy baby girl. We made it to Neptune, the farthest planet. It is deep blue and super windy. Hold on tight, winds here are faster than rockets. We did it, Space Explorer. From Sun to Neptune, what a ride. See you next time. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.